No, Brinda, are we as citizens interested in the backstory? You know what happens is anytime something like this happens, they come and give us the backstory. Oh, do you know the real reason why it happened? It's because we were fighting for the right reason. I mean, I don't care for your right reason, but this is not the way. If you cannot speak through words, you cannot speak through such disgusting action. Oh, did you know what happened to the BJP? The Congress will ask, did you know that the BJP was trying to stop the deputy speaker? I couldn't care less. Every time there's a heckling, anytime everyone is beaten, every time there's a copy of a bill which is torn in the Lok Sabha, I feel violated now. Every time you even mishandled the marshals in the Lok Sabha, I feel violated. I feel that we've been taken for a ride. Brinda?
Absolutely.
And I think what they want to do is somehow control the media in this country, somehow control the media, which is why you will find that very few people in the media are debating what happened today, whether Karnataka or Delhi. Because they will feel, oh, you debate these issues, then you need the political party support. Well, Republic needs nobody's support, Brinda. But we need to speak up a little more louder than we have so far. Please.
You're absolutely right. We not only need to speak up louder, but we must demand this decorum. Let us place on record that there is not a single party that can claim that they have behaved in the manner that they should, maintaining decorum. Look at Shiv Sena, TMC, Congress, AAP, what are the other parties that are there? BJP, none of them. You look at Gujarat, Maharashtra, UP, including Karnataka. BJP. Politicians have abused that power, making reasons, giving excuses, and behaving in this absolutely degrading manner. This is not to say that we have elected wrong people. Maybe, may not be. But we elected you. We reposed our faith in you to go there and govern. You have no right whatsoever to come and give us excuses saying they did this and they did that. My question is, can you rise above and say that we are here to debate and this is what we will do? The law of the land for which you are also there sitting and making policies must be followed by you also. You cannot make a law and expect only citizens to follow and you can ask excuses for it. And that is unacceptable. Absolutely unacceptable.
So well said.
Brinda ji, but
so
by
said.
that I mean,
Can
we allow the people of the parliament or the consulate that whether they are able to, I mean, they can do corruption and we just stay quietly and we maintain the decorum? If they are doing corruption, I mean, is it a way that only we just, I mean, stop ourselves just to maintain the decorum or nothing else?
Sir, that is why we have courts. That is why we have courts and we have laws. And we need to place on record again. Political leaders must take action. This is impunity because they know nobody will touch them.
What is law?
This is impunity because you know nobody is going to file a case on them.
They are putting, I mean, they are using bad words against us. We are just silent and we are maintaining decorum.